Hi, my name is Nathan Semmens and I'm currently doing level 3 bricklaying diploma in Coleg Meirion-Dwyfor. The reason I decided to study bricklaying was because ever since I was a young kid I've always liked working on my hands. I've looked up to my dad when he was a bricklayer, and in school and everything I've always enjoyed it, and that's why I wanted to further it and go into college with it and hopefully get work in something I enjoy. So when I was in the beginning I didn't even know what gauge, level, plumb or age was. And now I'm in level 3, I'm doing my work to the best of my abilities, and I've seen where I've begun and where I am now. And it's made me so proud of the walls I've done and what I've achieved in college and my qualifications. College has changed me, or taught me in a sense that I've got a lot of experience and quality about my work, and that I can achieve anything once I leave college. I'll be looking for employment once I leave, but they showed me if I want to go and work by myself, I can. They try and teach you how you'd be in work life, and when I leave college, I don't feel like it's so much of a big step once I leave. So it's made me feel a lot better about myself and helped me with my expectations of what I can achieve as a goals. If you're thinking going to college, take the chance while you can have it, because at the end of the day, it's a brilliant and amazing experience, because you don't want to be looking back in the future thinking, oh, I wish I could have done this because I could have got that job. At least then, if you've gone to college, I know it might not be much money to start, or so what you think it may be a waste of time, because in the long run, it's going to benefit you a lot more than anyone that hasn't been to college, and it's such an amazing journey. I think it may be a waste of time.